Hello. Hi. This is Mr. Ralph. I'm back. Yeah, I'm here to teach you 6.2. Today we're dealing with generating equivalent fractions. Remember, what does equivalent fractions mean? Equivalent is that beautiful word that looks like equal. Okay. So there are two fractions that are equal. Today we're going to generate or we're going to create them. So if you look right here, what is that first fraction? Good, it's 1/2. The second fraction is 2/4. Okay, let's look at the other one. We still have 1/2. The next one is, good, 3/6, 1/2, and as you can see, they already have these numbers done for you, but what I want you to see is could you get from here to there without having to draw the pictures over here? Okay. What is a way I can create 1/2 to 2/4? Okay, so let's look at this. If I have 1/2 to 2/4, using addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, how can I get there? Okay, I can't do 1/2 plus anything. That is not going to work. Let's try to multiply. If I multiply by 1, so we go 1 times 1, that's not 2, right? So that does not work. 1 times what gets me 2? 1 times 2. Now, 2 times what gets me 4? Good, 2. So what do you notice right here? We times the top and the bottom by the same thing. Let's see if that works with 1/2 and 3/6. 1 times what gets me 3? Okay, 3. 1 times what gets me, 2 times what gets me 6? 3. Whoa! Okay, and I bet you with the rest of these, you'll find that it's the same. So when they want you to generate, so if I have the fractions of 4/5, and I have to find 2 more, if you look back here, what did we just do? We times the same number by the top and bottom of that fraction by the same thing. So as long as I times it by the same, so if I wanted to do 3, 4 times 3, and then we're just going to multiply straight across. 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. 4/5 and 15 is the same. Now to find another one, I'm going to do 2. Why not keep it simple? 4 times 2 is, good, 8, 5 times 2 is 10. So all 3 of these are equivalent fractions. All you're doing is making sure you times the top and the bottom by the same. Now once again, you're going to come to fractions that's like 4/5 and 5/10. I want to know if they're equivalent. Remember the rule. The first thing I'm going to do is say, does 5 go into 10? Yes, 5 times something can give me 10. So I'm just going to keep 5/10 down there. I don't have to do anything but bring that down. Now here I'm going to make it 10 because now we have a common denominator. And remember, I'm going to divide, then times. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So it's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Is 8/10 and 5/10 the same? No, so they are not equivalent. So find a common denominator. There's only one option on here when you that. For instance, 1/4 and 2/8. There's only one time when this 4 will not go in there. And let me show you what I mean by there. So if I have 3/8 and 2/6. Okay, so right here, does 6 go into 8? It doesn't. So I'm going to look at my biggest number always, and I'm going to start listing multiples of it. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 times something doesn't give me 16. What's 8 times 3? 24. Can I do 6 times something and get 24? Ding, ding, ding. I can. Okay, so I'm going to do 24 here. So 24 divided by 8 is, good, 3. 3 times 3 is, good, it's 9. And then we'll do divide and times. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So are they equivalent? No. So, this is Mr. Rouse teaching lesson 6.2. Join me next time as we have 6.3. Have a good night.